I explained to y'all how I lost almost $400 a month. Now it's almost $500 a month I lost. And if you want to count the Firestones, I'm still waiting to hear word back from corporate. But I was doing them every month. For the whole month that I've been down during Corona, that's over $3,000 I lost. You feel me? So everyone's feeling this. Everyone's feeling the hurt from Corona. You know, it's just not selective. It doesn't discriminate. It's not prejudice. You know, it doesn't select. It hurts everybody, young and old. So this was my last cleaning. She said she hired a maintenance guy. And for whatever reason, if it doesn't work out, they call me. See, you never burn your bridges. I just smiled. I said, well, it's just to add to the list of the other jobs that stopped me from working. So now I'm up to almost $500. I said, you know, it's not just me. Everyone's feeling the bad end of this thing, you know. And, you know, I just told them I had to get a nighttime job delivering pizza. I said, I never worked for nobody. Let's just face it, man. Sometimes you got to swallow your pride and do what's right for you in order to maintain, because those bills don't stop coming. You see, you may not agree with some of the stuff I say, and you may watch my channel and see some of the same things over and over again, but some people that haven't, that can relate, they will say, okay, man, it's nothing. It's about nothing. It ain't about nothing, man. You get back on your high horse and you ride again. You ride or die, man. Are you gonna sit there and take life as it comes, or are you gonna grab it by the cojones and own it? You feel me? You gotta own your life. Change your mindset. You see, I lost money now. This was the last cleaning. Thank goodness I got the last cleaning in and I didn't drive up here for nothing. Because you see, Firestone is connected right by there. And I'm just going to go in and say hi. But, you know, the casino school too, right next door. Y'all see me do this before. You know, they're out of business too. They haven't been here not one moment. So the 2.5 months, I decided to come up here today because now I'm doing the pizza stores once a week in Philly. So now, in Center City, so now I have reason to come up here. So that's when I came up here to find out that I don't have a job to come back to anymore. Now, I can't say the same about Firestone, so now I'll just have to wait to hear from them. What's up, Brian? What's going on? Everything good? That's good. Yeah, I see. They switching you around, huh?
Yeah.
Well, this your store, or where did Vashon go?
Charles at Feasterville.
Oh, Feasterville, right? Yes, that's right.
Now, and bigger dude's running up and down Chris.
Oh, Elgin, Chris, yeah, okay. That's cool. Man, nothing, man. I'm just waiting for Anthony to give me the go-ahead to come back. He's totally slipped his mind, but he said he's having a meeting and he's going to mention it to corporate, because I know the stores is starting to get a little shabby with the windows. So I'm going to have my work cut out for me when they do decide to figure out what they want to do. You know, even if they wanted to do it like every other month until things pick up, but to stop it completely, that's just letting, you know, not to say that that's a necessity, because it's a luxury, but it's all, people still come here. It's all about image. You know, if the store looks like run down and looks crappy and dirty, you know, you're like, well, shoot, what about my cars? You know, what? But then again, if a shop seems too clean, then that means they ain't working. You know what I mean? So it's like a catch-22. But, you know, hey, I just gotta take it as it comes, man. They just stopped me from cleaning the liquor store. I just got my last check. I came here just because now I started doing work in Center City at M.A.W. Pizza. It was a weekly account, so now that I'm doing it again, I said, well, I might as well come up here and at least do the liquor store, because it's been a while. And no one's been there since I stopped. So I came here to realize I don't have a job to come back to. Isn't that crazy? So they hired a maintenance guy, and the maintenance guy is going to clean the windows. So you never burn your bridges, because I'm pretty sure they're going to call me back eventually. I said, this guy has all the equipment? She says, yes. No, he doesn't. No, he's not getting all that high stuff up there. The window's going to look like crap, and they'll be calling me back. I guarantee you that. So here I'm on a steakhouse in Philadelphia. We've made it right up to there, to that ladder, just on one side. Took us about an hour and a half from top to bottom. We had to use soft scrub on these windows to polish the glass. But this job, right after that job in Philly calls me, the shoe store, and I took y'all along with me to go take a look. They called me right after, right? And they're paying me $510 cash to do the outside and the inside. So I told you I lost almost $500 a month. It ain't about nothing, because I'm about to replace that money back. But I'm gonna go get to work. I'm gonna show y'all a little footage.